even after being a great learner, you need some capital to run your own company, and you've raised a good amount of capital for your startup. What does that journey look like, and what happens after you've raised capital?
I think journey just begins by raising capital, honestly. It's not a means to an end, it's the means to the beginning. You need capital to take bigger bets. Without capital, there's no freedom to take bigger bets. And I think capital solves just for that. The kind of ambitions that we have require capital. When we were originally starting out, we were funding it with our own money, and we were doing projects to fund our product ideas. That's how we originally began. But then when we had to take a bet, we told people that, look, this is our mission. We are going to change procurement in India and the world. This is how the world could look like if we become successful. I think people loved that idea. So they ended up backing us. Back then, things were very different. We were very scrappy young guys who were just figuring out how to do things, and we did not know what we did not know. And that stood out, honestly. So I think that authenticity sort of made a lot of difference when we were going for the fundraise, that we are going to do this. We don't know, but we are going to make it happen. But now things have changed. Now we have a strategy, we have a game plan, we have an action plan, execution team. So we are very focused on executing right now as we stand, and fundraise is just part of the process.
You just saw a snippet from whiteboard.fm. You can watch the entire episode by clicking on the link in description. We have hundreds of clips on design case studies, hiring processes, and much more. This podcast is a part of the 10K Designers Network. Check out our website whiteboard.fm to learn more.